At PowerSafe Automation, we understand the critical importance of maintaining machine guarding to ensure the safety and efficiency of your manufacturing environment. Our Preventative Maintenance (PM) program is designed to not only maintain machines, but also to ensure the ongoing effectiveness of protective machine guarding. Features of our PM program: comprehensive scope of work and our tailored T&M model. Our PM program covers routine maintenance for machine guarding, including inspection, cleaning, and adjustments to ensure optimal performance. We offer a time and material T&M model with standard labor rates and materials, allowing you to schedule maintenance as needed. Advantages of PM program: minimize exposure to hazards, prevent unplanned downtime, reduce waste due to accidental trips, extend life expectancy of guarding, and our hassle-free process. By maintaining machine guarding, you can minimize the risk of accidents and ensure a safe working environment for your employees. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected equipment failures, reducing costly downtime and production delays. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected equipment failures, reducing costly downtime and production delays. Proper maintenance extends the lifespan of machine guarding, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Simply contact us with the scope of work, receive a T&M proposal, issue a purchase order, and schedule the maintenance visit. Trust PowerSafe Automation to keep your machine guarding in top condition, ensuring the safety of your workforce and the uninterrupted operation of your manufacturing processes. Contact us today to schedule your preventative maintenance visit and experience the benefits of a proactive approach to machine guarding maintenance.
PowerSafe Automation, engineering your safety.
Call today at 844-520-SAFE or visit our website at powersafeautomation.com.